Hello everybody, here's my wife here, and she's going to be making her chicken and pork adobo recipe. And this is a Philippine recipe. It's called adobo. It's normally just one or the other, chicken or pork, but today she's going to be making it both at the same time. And she's going to show you all the first steps to it now. She's going to walk y'all through it step by step and show you how to make it. It's a pretty easy and simple dish. I've actually made this before myself. I'm pretty sure Papa got to try it. My mom got to try it, but Mama didn't get to try it. So sorry, Mama.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Yeah, and she's gonna show you all the steps now and how to make it.
Okay, we're just gonna marinate it. So this is chicken breast. I put all the chicken breast there because Corey likes chicken breast, and the ones with the bone in.
The chicken breast adobo is my favorite adobo.
Yeah, and then I'll put. This is pork chop. I chop it up. I wash my hands. Don't judge me. There. And I wash this too. This is pork chop. So I'll just mix it.
And this is step one. This is gonna be like a 2 or 3 step process. This is the marinade here.
Yeah, and then this is one whole garlic.
So 1 whole bulb.
Yeah. Just.
I don't know about you guys, but the sound of it is just horrendous to me.
And then wait, I'm gonna wash now.
So you're gonna wash your hands before touching any of the other ingredients. This is soy sauce, vinegar, white vinegar, water.
Take me the white bowl.
And then the last ingredient is a liquid soy seasoning.
So,
And then there's calamansi.
yeah. We're gonna use some.
You need to have like a strainer. Sometimes there's like a little cup strainer thing that's made for lemons or whatever, but
This time we're gonna use if you don't have naman a strainer, you don't really need to be. That's for animal.
you just gotta watch out for the seeds if you get any of them in there.
Because the seeds are bitter.
And it's hard. It'll be like a little rock if you bit into it.
So I'm gonna put like 1, 2, count this, count the calamansi.
There's a lot, you guys.
Because this is for extra kick on the
12 calamansis total.
Because the others are small naman, so it's fine. It will give extra nice flavor, and it will enhance the flavor of the adobo.
Whenever I was telling y'all earlier about me making this dish before in the US, it was before I ever even had a YouTube channel, long before I ever started YouTube, and long before I ever started cooking with Mama. So, sorry, but there's no video footage of it either, of me making that.
And Corey likes calamansi. Diba?
Yeah, it's really good. It just tastes like a sour lime taste.
You told them what happened to you when you first eat the calamansi in Balenciaga.
I got sick, but it wasn't from the calamansi. Everyone thinks it's from that, but I know it wasn't.
You think it's from that thing?
No, it was from drinking the water. I had water, and they have ice that they get out of like the faucet here, and then they turn it into ice. And it's called, yes it is, it's faucet water. And then they turn it into ice. It's called tube ice. She's saying that it's not, but it is. It's just sink water. They pour it into a tube, and then when they freeze it, and then it turns to ice, and then they bust the tube, and it makes it big chunks of like tube ice. That's what it's called.
Here, let's.
Whenever she says OA, guys, that means you're too much, or I'm exaggerating, is what she was saying when she says OA.
There. So now we're gonna mix the other ingredients because that's all with calamansi na. Let's toss it. The flavor will kick in to the chicken and pork.
And the pork does have the bone in it. She just chopped it all up.
Yeah.
And here's a piece of the bone there.
So now we're gonna put soy sauce. This is maybe just 1/4 cup of soy sauce. It's 1/4. That's enough. It smells good.
And we don't have our mics on right now at this part of the video, but later, whenever she actually starts cooking it, we're gonna have to turn the fan on, and it's really loud. So we are gonna have to put the mics on for the second half of this video.
So since we put the the calamansi, the vinegar, it's just maybe 4 tablespoons of vinegar and a little of liquid seasoning for extra flavor. So just few drops.
I think this seasoning is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you don't even have to cook this really. You can just pour it over rice. It's so good.
But not too much.
It's just like a liquid soy seasoning
So
almost.
let's just put a little salt here. And pepper. This is all the marinade. So we put the crushed peppers first. And then the whole pepper.
This is my favorite part, the whole peppercorns.
You can be generous or not. But here we are generous because we like the taste of the pepper. So toss a little. Wait. Just to mix in all the flavors. Toss. And a little water. We got our mineral water. It's frozen, but this is mineral water. So just a little water lang. See, it's not that much.
It's like a quarter of that bottle, and it's a very small bottle.
Yeah. And for the people who will tell me, you didn't cook the chicken, you didn't even cook the this. There's so many ways to cook the adobo. I showed you na how to cook the adobo while frying the chicken and pork first. And now, this is the other way, like my dad's way of cooking the adobo. Marinating it and then cook it and boil it to that marinade. So we're gonna wait until after 5 minutes.
Yeah, so that's step one. Now we marinate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Y'all gotta stay tuned. We'll be right back with y'all here in just a minute as soon as it's soaked in, the flavor soaked into the meat. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Love y'all.
Yeah, love you.
Hey, we're back, you guys. This is the next step. Step 2, cook it in the marinade.
We're gonna cook it now. Maybe here at the middle. Let's put it a little high. Because it's late, I have to cook it faster. So we can put it on high high heat. So let's cover. That's all the marinade lang. I didn't put anything with it. So we're just gonna wait until it's cooked and simmering. So just check on the on your thing too, because it doesn't cook longer naman. So maybe it will just we just need to cook it for like 10 minutes boiling.
So we're gonna bring it to a boil, cook it for probably 10 minutes, and then we'll be back with the next step. Is there another step?
Nope, eating is the next step. I didn't put oils because the pork and the chicken has its own oil. So it will oil up the dish.
Yeah, the fattiness of the pork will
Yeah.
turn into like a grease.
So just toss it lang after maybe 5 minutes. And if you think you had your meats or your chicken cooked enough for you, you can just turn the heat off and you can serve it. So that's it. So later we'll be back after we boil this thing because it will take about 10 minutes.
Hey, y'all heard her. We'll be back with
Yeah.
y'all in just a minute. After 10 minutes of this, after it came to a boil, then it's going to cook for 10 minutes. And then we'll be right back with you guys with the finished product. Y'all stay tuned to see the finished product. And if it's not too hot, we'll do a taste test for you guys.
Yeah. And of course, just shout out to my Tito Randy.
Yeah,
Yes, this is his kitchen. And
yeah,
Tita Kari.
yeah. So thank you so much, Tito and Tita, for letting us cook here.
So there. We're staying here kasi that's why we're here.
I wasn't going to bring it up, but since you brought it up, thank you guys so much if you're watching this.
Yeah.
We do really appreciate everything y'all do for us.
Okay, so later you will make a video after we cook it, and then of course on my channel you can see our taste test or the mukbang. Actually, it's not taste test, it's not even review because it's always a mukbang because I just eat and you always do the ano lang, the review. But for me, I just eat because everything is yummy for me.
Yeah, so if y'all want to see the taste test, I said we was going to do a taste test, but I always forget that we do the taste test on her channel. So
Look, it's boiling na.
if y'all want to see the taste test and the review, the mukbang of us eating this, then you have to go to her channel. It's at Mrs. Kim Blake. If you type that in, it should bring you up to her channel. And if y'all made it to her channel, please subscribe to her channel. We do
Yeah.
really appreciate it, and it'll help us out a lot. And then we're going to do the full review of it there afterwards.
Yeah. Later, we're gonna do fried rice, adobo fried rice. It's just a little bit of the sauce of that and then the leftover rice. So it's not that really important dish. It's just because there's a sauce. We don't waste food here on the pan. Even the smallest piece of sauce, we have to make fried rice on it.
Yeah, I didn't even know we was going to be doing that, guys. That's new to me, just as new as it is to y'all. But I'm happy about
Surprise!
it because it sounds really good.
Okay, that's all. See you later again.
Yeah, we'll be back with y'all in just a second when it's done cooking. Y'all stay tuned.
Yeah. I took off my ring because I'm gonna do something pa. So I turn off the heat because it's already cooked. You can see it. It's cooked.
Yummy.
Smells good
Yeah.
for you. Okay, we're gonna put it on a bowl. Let's put the lid back here. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test later. So there's chicken and pork. Ay, we need spoon pala to scoop out to scoop out the sauce.
There's a ladle over there to dip it with.
Yeah. I can't find it.
It's in this drawer he showed you earlier.
This one. Okay. It's ano naman, it's all clean, but I'm just gonna wash up.
It looks so good. The pork looks like little pieces of steak in there. Like
Corey likes
little
this
pork chops.
one. Excuse me. I'm gonna put the sauce there. Ow! So there. This is our finished product. So I'm gonna transfer it on another Tupperware.
And we're going to be making the adobo fried rice right after this. And it'll be really fast. It'll be a super fast recipe because you already seen how to make the adobo, and that's also what we're using to make the adobo rice. But if y'all want to see that video, it'll be up the day after this one. So make sure to tune in the day after you see this video up, and you'll see the adobo fried rice video.
Yeah, this one I'm gonna transfer it on another bowl.
Well, I guess that's all for this one.
Yeah. Gonna
Oh.
transfer lang. Because I have to use the sauce, some of the sauce, for our fried rice.
I guess that's all for this recipe. This is the chicken and pork adobo, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. We love y'all. God bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Share us to Facebook if you want to. Check out Kim's channel. It's at Mrs. Kim Blake. So y'all
Please
check it out
follow
and subscribe
me.
to her there. We do really appreciate it. We appreciate each and every one of you guys for everything. Everything y'all do for us really means so much to us, and we love y'all. But we'll see y'all in the next one.
Bye-bye.
God bless y'all.